Yo, great day, people. I just wanted to talk about how you can make money in real estate without actually having a deal. One of the ways I actually teach folks how to buy property with none of your own money is by raising capital from other people who have money locked up that they don't even know about in lines of credits, in cash or in retirement accounts, and how to get those people to partner with you so that way you can make them money with an interest rate, with partnerships, with equity partnerships. And so let's talk about how we can actually, use OPM without actually having a deal, okay, and making money today. Quick, okay, sometimes long, but we're gonna go through it right now. First, if you don't know, we actually have virtual classes on raising money, okay? And those classes are live, okay? They're live. Typically, I think the next one is June 11th from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, we go through how to find, how to structure, how to negotiate, raising private money so you can have no credit in the game, no money in the game, but still own property in your neighborhood or wherever wherever you want to own real estate. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link below to the private money workshop, and I'm stressing that you get it right now, because right now we're in a time where we know there's going to be some kind of correction. Okay, we know there's going to be some kind of recession. We don't know exactly what that's going to look like, but inside of a recession, we already know that prices drop down, and typically there's like a flood of houses that come to the market. Okay, and only the smartest of the smartest in real estate investors have been saving up so they can go out and buy properties during that time. Now, folks like me and you, we don't have to be the ones who save. Me and you, we can get into the game just by knowing more than everybody else, okay, which allows us to have access to the money because we're able to find the deals, okay, and because we have the deals, we can have access to the money and take down those properties ourselves. Okay, so I want to teach you how I've been able to raise millions of dollars. Literally, this property right here I've owned for the last 3 years, raised 100% of the funds to buy it and hold it, and I make about $2,500 a month. Okay, so with just this one property, this is a duplex, and actually I got an offer to sell it for like $160,000 they offered me. And what I owe on it, you won't believe this, what I owe on the property right now is $35,000 on it. So in a matter of 3 years, I would have made $2,500 a month. And if I wanted to, I could sell it right now and profit 100 grand in my pocket with OPM. So I want to stress that you click the link, join me on the class June 11th, okay, from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you purchase a seat, if you secure your seat, I'm gonna give you $50 off. Okay, I'm gonna give you $50 off if you purchase a seat. If you purchase your ticket before May the 30th, okay, I'm gonna give you $50 off using the code TIMTA, capital TIMTA. This is me taking action. Okay, so let's get right into it of how you can use private money, okay, to make money without having a deal. Okay, number one is when you actually raise money, that's a very essential piece of the deal. Okay, who needs money to get their deals done? Everybody. Okay, the first way I use private money to make money is through transactional lending. It's through transactional lending. What transactional lending is a 24-hour lending period where you lend somebody money who has a contract to buy and a contract to purchase, which is what we teach right here on the channel. They have a contract to buy a property, and they also have a contract to sell the property. Okay, now in some areas or some deals, they can't do an assignment. For whatever reason, they have to do a double close. And in North Carolina, it's illegal, okay? It is, by law, it's illegal to use the funds from escrow A to cover escrow B. So they have to bring their own money to actually make the deal happen. What if they don't have the money? They use us, transactional lenders, to get that deal closed for them, okay? So how do we get paid? So here we go. So right now I'm doing a deal for my guy, Counsel. And on Monday, he's doing the deal. He purchased for like, there was like 100,000 he purchased it for. No, it was 105,000 that he purchased it for. And he has it sold for 125. I'm bringing in my private money guy, not my money. I'm bringing in my private money guy. He's giving me the funds. He's giving me $107,000 to lend to council. So on the HUD promissory note and deed of trust, our LLC, me and my private money guys LLC that we have together, is showing up there as protection. So we're gonna wire funds to the attorney. Once funds are there, we wait for the attorney to let us know that the buyer funds that he's selling the property to are there in escrow at the exact same time. Once both of our monies are there at the exact same time, then we go ahead and close on the A to B closing, okay? And the next day, the attorney will close on the B to C, okay? And a part of the B to C closing, he will ask us for a payoff. How much does Council Glenn owe you? Okay, so we lent 175. Our fee is 2.5%. So I think we make like $2,600 just by supplying funds for 2 days. Okay, literally 48 hours. We send in our wire today. We get our money back tomorrow. So we make $2,600 for entering a couple numbers, clicking a couple buttons on the computer. Okay, that's transactional lending. So my partner on that deal, he gets paid 1.5%. Okay, I get 1%. Makes sense? So that's our 2.5% fee. Literally no work from me other than just saying, hey, I provide transactional lending. Let me know when you have a deal. Now, if you need transactional lending, hit me up. I got you. Okay, I got you. Now, I don't do all deals, but I will do most. Hit me up. And the rates do kind of depend on how much time you give me, how much money and all that good stuff. But definitely hit me up for that. Now, the next way you can make money, okay, just without having a deal, is to actually connect with other investors in the area, okay? So all of those We Buy Houses sons, all of the, all of that kind of advertisement are wholesalers, okay? Or just investors, period, looking to sell deals. I simply call all of those wholesalers and I say, hey, look, I'm looking to buy. They'll send me their deals. And once I have a good deal that I can buy as is and resell as is, or buy to keep, I'll say, hey, look, great, I'll take that deal. They'll send me an assignment agreement or a purchase agreement to purchase the property. And then I'll have my private money guy send the money to the attorney's office so I can buy that house. Now, I'm either getting paid on the front or I'm getting paid on the back when I resell the property. Okay, check that out. Next way I'm actually raising money and making money off of OPM is I'm being the, let's call it the key principal. Okay, I'm being the key principal in an apartment deal. Okay, so right now we're doing an 8-unit deal where there's 3 people involved: a general partner who does all of the work, the key partner who actually uses their credit, and then the LP, the limited partner, who brings the money. Okay, so that means since there's 3 people involved in a multi-family deal, that means I don't have to find the deal. I don't have to do the work. I can just bring the money and in turn get paid for providing the funds. Check that out. So you don't have to have your own apartment deal. You don't have to do all of the work. If you go out and raise money, okay, from those who have money locked up, who might be only, earning 3, 2, 4%. Some people have, $500,000 in a checking account making 0.0015 interest, okay, on that $500,000 and need your help. So that's the way we're doing it, okay? Now, I have multiple other ways that we use other people's money to make money right now without you actually having a deal. But in order to get some of those things, I want you to join the course. I want you to join the workshop so you can actually properly know how to protect other people's money so you can keep doing this over and over again and do hundreds and hundreds of deals. So that way, we can grow a community. Because at the end of the day, I love teaching people how to do this kind of stuff. It's because probably for like the first 3 years of me doing this, I didn't have anybody to talk to about real estate. I would come home, talk to my wife about real estate, and she would just block me out because that's not what she's interested in. But when I learned that I could get around a community of people that do the same thing and like the same thing that I like, that we could learn and we could earn money together by doing these real estate investments deals. So look, I look forward to seeing you guys on the Private Money Workshop. Use the discount code. I literally just made that up. TIMTA, TIMTA. This is me taking action. That's $50 off if you buy before May 30th. Okay, I'll see you guys on the call. Peace.